Welcome back, everyone. It's Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin here. Today is April 12, 2020, making today a Sunday. Today we're gonna analyze the full week analysis for April 13 to the 17, where I'm gonna be giving you about 12 to 13 different pair, up to 14. So make sure you subscribe so you will know when we post brand new videos, and so you'll be on the lookout. Okay, so just to give you a forex disclaimer, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and what and what and what and hundreds of what or what and hundreds of pips. There you go. That's what we're here for. So just to give you a quick review of how to use Forex Hour if you want to download it, which I think is an excellent app. So make sure you go to your mobile and look for it, Forex Hours, and download it. It's gonna give you the London time, the Tokyo, New York, Sydney, even Frankfurt. It's pretty amazing one. And another great app that I think everyone should have it no matter what is my FX Hour, guys. I think you need to have this. Whatever I'm gonna be telling you today is subject to change based on the news that are gonna be released this coming week. Remember, we are trading the week of April 13 to the 17, 2020. All right, so in case you didn't know, guys, I'll do one-on-one session. If you want me to help you out and show you how I trade back end, send me a private link. My private message is on the description of this video, where I had trained hundreds and hundreds of you guys, and everybody is very successful on doing what they're doing. If you want to use my brand, send me a private message. There is a very small fee for it, and at the end of the day, it's worth the investment. All right, so make sure if you want to do that, you could do that. If not, you do what you do best. All right, so I just wanted to let you know that. All right, guys, so I think today we're gonna go ahead and start with oh, I don't know why I'm not in 1 hour, guys. Oh gosh, I don't know why I'm in 1 hour. That is not good. Anyway, what I'm expecting to see on this particular pair here, guys, I'm gonna keep it up on 1 hour. So actually, let's start with USD CHF. On this particular pair here, pay attention to the time frame that I'm using here, guys. It's very important for you to pay attention. No matter what I'm gonna be telling you today, always pay attention. I'm a big fan of 4 hours, as you know, big fan of it, and I really love it. So I mean, if you want to take a look at it, it's up to you. But I think it's in a great app. I mean, a great timing to check it. So anyway, and here we got the 4 hours. What I'm expecting to see this particular week of April 13 to the 17, I'm expecting to see a small pullback retesting our 23 Fibonacci line. It may come back to the mid 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line, but just to play safe, I'm looking to see a 23 reversal. From that point on, I'm expecting to see a continuation of the trend, because this trend is bearish. So we're looking to see a pullback. And then from that particular area, the market will continue as bullish. Because remember, this is just a small triple arrow pullback, in my opinion, but the overall of the trend is bullish. All right. So if you guys are finding this confused, guys, please, my description is below of my Telegram. So go ahead and send me a message private, and I will go ahead and see if I can help you out. If you want to book one-on-one, it's also my calendar is below, so send me a message and book an appointment with me, so I can teach you how to trade in the back end. All right, so if you are new for the first time watching this video and you want to grab our triple arrow system, make sure you go ahead and hit the link as well on the description of this video, where I'm gonna be giving you $20 cash back. But pay attention on this one, guys. This is very amazing here. Triple arrow is telling us the market is doing bearish. That's exactly what the market is giving us. Look at here previously. Triple arrow was giving us a bullish market. Bullish, bearish. And that's exactly what the market is doing. I mean, triple arrow is one of the best system, guys, in the world. It's super easy to use. There's no magic. It is what it is. All right. So the next pair that I'm going to be analyzing here, which I just realized I had it in 1 hour, to be honest. Let me see if I can go to 4 hours and try to refix this, because I really don't know why I gave you 1 hour. Well, you know what? Let's do it from scratch, guys, so you can see it. Let me take this off. Let me put this here. Let me take this off. What I'm expecting to see on this particular pair here. All right, so let me zoom in. Oops, I think I did it too hard, too much. All right, so let me bring it down one less. All right, so what I'm expecting to see on this particular pair here, I'm expecting to see a retracement retesting our mid 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. From that particular area, I'm expecting to see a small pullback, retesting our, let me check here, retesting our 23 Fibonacci line, and then it will do a small tiny pullback before it does take off. So most likely what I'm expecting to see from there is retesting our 38. And then what do you think is gonna do next? From that particular area, the market will continue as bullish. All right, so pay attention to this particular trade. It's coming up. We're gonna come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna analyze this market live. Okay, but let me remove this here and just keep it this low profile here. So I want you to come back on Wednesday and we're gonna analyze this together. All right, the next pair that I have here is the Euro versus our NCD. Again, pay attention to the time frame. The time frame that I'm using here is 4 hours. So now the question is, Irving, what do you think is market doing here? You tell me. You're the one who's here. Pay attention here. Look at what Triple Arrow is telling us. Triple Arrow is telling us the market is doing what? The market is giving us a bearish market. Now, the question of the week is, for the week of April 13 to the 17th, is what is the prediction based on the Triple Arrow? What I'm expecting to see in this particular area here, I'm expecting to see a small pullback, retested our 78 Fibonacci line, then do a tiny pullback before the market takes off as a bullish market. So what I'm expecting to see this coming week is a Triple Arrow formation in this particular area. Pay close attention. We're gonna come back on Wednesday at what time? 6 p.m. Eastern time, and we're gonna analyze this pair all over again from scratch. So make sure you join us. So let me see how many pairs we're analyzing this week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different pairs, guys. So out of 14, let's say maybe 3 or 4 will go against us. It's still a pretty good winning ratio, but our job is, you know, to try to grab as many winning trades as possible. Right? Let me drink some water here because I'm getting very excited. All right, so if you are new, make sure you subscribe. One thing, if you want to grab the Triple Arrow system, the description of the Triple Arrow is on the description. I mean, the link is on the description of this video. Okay, so make sure you click in there and take a look at it. You don't have to sign up, but you can take a look at it. All right, it will not hurt. All right, let's go. Let's move forward. Look at this one, guys. Just kind of like go back data so you can pay attention. Look at when the Triple Arrow come in. Triple Arrow come in, market drop. Now, currently, right now, present, market is giving us a bullish market, right? So, based on this Triple Arrow, is exactly market is doing a bullish market. The question of the week is, yep, I already saw what I would need to see. What I'm expecting to see, this GBP Canadian, the market is a bullish market. So this pullback here is over. Then right now the market is going with the trend, with the main trend. So what I'm expecting to see this particular area here is I'm expecting to see a retracement retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. It may break and retest it all the way to passing 50 to our 38 Fibonacci. If it does that, market will continue as bullish. All right, so we're gonna come back on Wednesday and come back and reanalyze the pair from this particular area. So make sure you subscribe, guys, so like that you will know when the live session will come up. If you have an idea or want me to do more video, please let me know. So I can start creating more videos in a different way. I don't know what is the weaknesses that you have using the Triple Arrow, but just let me know. Let me know. Whatever you want me to do, I do it. All right. So there was one particular person that send us a message on my pre-week analysis. If you have not checked the pre-week analysis that I just did yesterday, Saturday, please go back in there and check that video. Most likely I will put it on the description of this video as well, so you can take a look at it, and I'm gonna pin the comment so you can have it in there. But there's one person, let me go here so you can see it. Here, who is that person? Let me see. Hi Irving, may I know that you're a Canadian? I think it's this person here. I think it's Juveling Layot, something like that. If I'm pronouncing your name wrong, please forgive me, but I will go ahead and add the shout out to you. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and give you that pair that you just asked for it, because I really care. I care what you want. So so I just wanted to, you know, be cool and give you that. All right, so let's move forward, because we here doing this temporary, right? So we need to move forward. So let me go ahead and delete this one so we can continue with the next pair. So the was it AUD Canadian? That's what you said? I forgot. Let me check. Oh gosh, bear with me, guys. I'm trying. Yeah, Euro Canadian. Did I did that or not? Euro Canadian. Oh man, I forgot to add it. God damn it. Well, we're gonna. I'm sorry. I thought I was gonna do it, but I'm not gonna do it then, because I already have 14 pairs. That's more than enough. But we're gonna do it on live session on Wednesday, so you can come back and check it out. All right. So sorry about that. But all right. So on this particular pair here, on the AUD Canadian dollar, what I'm expecting to see for this week, guys, is I'm expecting to see a pullback, retesting our 61 Fibonacci line, then do a small pullback, retesting mid 61 to our 78, then the market will drop down. So in my opinion, this is just my opinion, guys, I'm looking to see a potential. What do you think is going to happen in this particular area? A potential what? A potential triple arrow formation here. So that's what I'm expecting to see, so we can have a validated pullback going with the against the master trend. All right. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If you have any question, the description on my Telegram is below. So all you gotta do is click on that, send me a message. If you want me to do the one-on-one, it's also okay with me. All right. So it's a small fee, but it's worth the investment. Basically, it doesn't cost much. Super cheap. All right. So let's continue, because we need to keep this video short, under 30 minutes, so you can watch the whole setup. All right, on the next pair here, on the GBP NCD, pay attention to the timing. The timing that I'm using here is 8-4, equal to 4 hours. This is a great one, guys. This is a really great one. This one, what do you think? What do you think the triple arrow is doing? First of all, pay attention. Look at that. Boom. Ooh, that's too thick, right? Let me go ahead and make a little bit less thicker. Let's draw a box here. Look at that. Triple arrow. Clearly, it's telling us market is doing what? It's clearly telling us the market is doing a bullish market. So now, Irving, what is your analysis for the April 13th to the 17th? Well, that's a good one that you asked. So what I'm expecting to see here is a pullback, basically going with the trend, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci line. From there, it may come back and retest our 23 Fibonacci line, and then the market will continue as is supposed to go. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me make that correction here. There you go. So, but I want you to come back on Wednesday and redo it with me. All right. So because right now market is doing a bullish market, but it's just that. All right. So come back. So we're gonna do it together. So everything will be okay. But you need to make sure you subscribe. All right. All right. So let's go ahead and take this off out of here. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. 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 The next one that I have here is the CHF Birch R Japanese Yen. Look at what the triple arrow is doing in here, guys. Triple arrow is giving us what? It's giving us a clear downtrend bearish. That is exactly what the triple arrows is giving us. So now the question is it doing it? Of course it is. So now what I'm expecting to see for the week of April 13 to the 17th, I'm expecting to see a continuation of the trend. So from here, I'm expecting to see a bearish market, right? So, oops, let me write it down. I'm expecting to see a sell position from this particular area. All right, do you have any questions? Well, if you don't, it's fine. Let's keep moving. So, I mean, it's very straightforward, guys. It's no magic there. So, hopefully everything makes sense to you. All right, let's go to the next pair here of the day. This is on NCD versus our USD dollar. Again, this is on what time frame is this? This is exactly on 4 hours, guys. Pay attention what the triple arrow is giving us here. Triple arrow is clearly telling us the market is doing what? The market is giving us a bullish market. So far, it's performing exactly based on what triple arrow is telling us the market is doing. So now, here's the key area. Irving, what do you think it's going to do for this week? I'm expecting to see a retracement retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. Then most likely it's going to come back and retest our 61 Fibonacci line to our 78. And then from there, we're going to come back on Wednesday and reanalyze this live with you. Okay, so make sure you attend to our live session. It's free anyway. It doesn't cost you anything. It's just kind of like a way to show you how the triple arrow works. Okay, all right, so let's go. Let's keep moving forward. All right, the next pair that I have here for you is the GBP versus our Japanese yen. Oof, this is a great one. So in this here, this is a good one, guys. Pay attention. I mean, remember, I'm not a signal provider. I'm just giving you a educational video on how I use the triple arrow system. So if you had the triple arrow system and you want to go back to the system and see if your setup or your rules match with mine, you are more than welcome to do so. But these are not signal. And I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze here hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. You better believe that, because that's what we were here for. What I'm looking here is I'm looking for a formation of what? What do you think I'm expecting to see? I'm looking for a formation of triple arrow. Right, that's what I'm looking here. Formation of the triple arrow. So pay attention. It's coming. You coming here with me on Wednesday. We're gonna analyze this stuff together. So you will be the judge when we come back on Wednesday. But I'm expecting to see a formation of the triple arrow doing what? It's a triple arrow pullback. All right, so when it's a pullback, there's a rules that you need to follow. You know how to grab extra pips and get out because the trend is not on your end. But so yes, so I'm expecting to see a retest our 50 Fibonacci line. From there, it's gonna retest our 50 to our 61, and then market will continue as what it is, which is gonna be a triple arrow pullback. All right, so come back on Wednesday. We're gonna analyze this all over again, but it's gonna be with you asking question live. So but remember, I'm here with you, so if you have any question, please drop it below. And someone sent a message early that they wanted to check if gold was gonna be a bearish. I already did the pre-week analysis on that one. You can go back to the video. And I mean, it is what it is. I give you the setup, so that's just my opinion. It's not guaranteed that it's gonna happen, but remember, we're taking we're analyzing 14 different pairs in this analysis here. If 3 or 4 pairs will go against us, it's fine. But last week, out of 14 pairs, we only one wins against analysis. The previous week, out of 14, 0 trade went against our analysis. So that means triple arrow is doing what it's supposed to do. All right, We're not saying it's a perfect software, but if you know how to use it correctly, you should have your winning ratio should be an excellent one. All right, so I don't know how you're trading. I don't know if you have rule, but if you want me to train you, you want me to be your coach behind scene, all you gotta do is what you need to go ahead and click on that Telegram link so I can help you out. All right, so but that's only if you want to make money. If you don't want to make money, you want to stay home watching TV and just watch my YouTube video from your living room, keep doing what you're doing. If you're finding success, however you're finding success, it's you, not me, but I'm here helping all the traders. All right, so let's go here and check on USD Canadian dollars. Remember, look at the time frame that I'm using here. I'm using 4 hours. So what I'm expecting to see in this area, guys, I'm expecting a retracement to come back to meet our 38 Fibonacci line, and then the market will drop down and retest our 61 Fibonacci line. That's all I can think is gonna happen on USD Canadian. If you have other opinion than this, make sure you let me know. But remember, guys, we can disagree in everything, but we have to agree only on one thing. We need to agree how we do our setup all together as a family, because we need to win. We're here to make those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. All right, so make sure you do that. All right, so let me go ahead and kind of like give you a the other analysis that I already did the pre-week. I already give you the setup on GBP NCD. I already also give you the setup for gold. I also give you the setup for AUD USD, and also I give you the setup for GBP USD. So that was on the first video, so most likely I will drop the link on the description of this video so you can go back and check it out. All right, so do you guys have any questions, guys? Any question? Please let me know, because remember that I'm here trying to help you. If you don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next? Guess what I'm gonna do next? I will go where? Home.